back on The Sweet Life, and now it's time for Regine to take the hot seat.
Yan.
Hot
Ay,
seat.
hindi
ka na ba?
hot seat. Akala ko
Oo,
kanina pa
meron.
yun. Yun na yung hot seat.
Hindi pa,
Pero
hindi
ano,
pa yan.
Hindi ba?
Bilis lang to, Reg. Kayang-kaya mo to. What
Promise.
is your... magsa-start tayo sa mga themes.
Okay.
What is your dream role? And is it true na ayaw mo daw talagang mag-star sa isang horror flick?
My dream role siguro is... ito, dream ko talaga to. Gusto ko maging kontrabida sa movie ni Sharon.
Talaga nga?
Oo nga. Hindi ko alam kung bakit.
Parang I cannot imagine you as a...
So, ayaw mo ng horror, tapos kontrabida ka sa
Pero
horror?
kontrabida. Ako yung horror. Oo, hindi ko masyadong type. I don't
Yung
know why.
horror?
Somebody asked me that before. Offered me actually a horror story. Pero parang I kinda didn't like it. Kasi ayoko yung mga... Kung mga, kunwari yung vampira, yung mga aswang-aswang.
Pag na kung papapangitin ka, wag na lang, no?
Pero, hindi, pero pagka yung mga, about yung mga bad spirits, parang ini-invoke mo eh. So, I don't really like that. I don't even like watching.
How much more actually playing the role?
And it's,
you have to-
it's scary.
Oo.
Kasi parang you're invoking bad spirits and all
nga.
that. So, it's,
And you have to get into the role, di ba?
yeah, so I don't like.
So, sa lahat naman, ito, maswerte to sa mga leading man.
Oo
eh, no?
nga.
Yan ang isa sa mga kinaiinggit ko ng todo sa'yo eh.
Ang bonggang-bongga.
Ang bonggang pagkainggit ko yan.
Oo.
So, sino ang pinakagusto mo sa kanilang lahat?
Sa lahat ng nakatrabaho ko, yung totoo, not because you're here, si Richard.
O, di ba?
Hindi nga. No, because you know why?
Ako, giligin na naman yan.
Hindi, ito naman sa trabaho.
Sa trabaho. No, because you know why? He's super professional. Walang arte.
So, sino sa kanila ang pinakamasarap humalik?
Naku, gusto niya sabihin mo si Robin Padilla kasi yun yung dream mo. dream niya talaga. Ano ba?
Ay, kamusta naman yan? Ayoko sabihin kasi magagalit si Yogi.
Wag, magagalit si Ogie. Hindi mo na.
May question ako. So, sinanay ko yung isang news sabi ni Ogie, gusto na niya pag nagkaroon siya ng anak,
Hindi,
kambal.
muna. Sinabi muna ni Ogie. Bago magkaanak, sinabi muna ni Ogie na si Regina daw yung huling babae sa buhay niya. Pahabaan tayo ng buhok. Ang haba ng buhok ni
Sana
Regina.
naman, sasampalin ko siya. Hindi lang ako.
So, ano masasabi mo doon?
Happy naman ako doon. Habang ilang her, hindi. Kasi syempre, I also waited for a long time. Kasi never naman ako nagkaroon ng ibang relationship. No, siya lang talaga.
So, yan. Dahil ikaw na talaga ang huling babae. Ito yung follow-up question.
Yun.
Handa ka na ba doon?
Hindi pa.
Ready ka na?
Ready na ako.
To the higher level of your relationship?
Okay, ano?
Ready ka na doon?
Oo, pero ngayon kasi, I want... ano nga yung sasabihin?
One at a time?
One at a time muna. Siyempre, we need to fix a lot of things. He has to settle a lot of things in his part, you know. Ako rin, gusto ko din malaman kung kaya kong yung mga responsibilities na haharapin ko. Kasi sanay na sanay ako, mag-isa lang ako eh. You know, although I've been, I think, very, very responsible naman kasi I was the breadwinner of my family. But now, I'm only thinking of myself. So, gusto ko malaman kung ready na rin ako doon. And I wanna be able to take care of Ogie. That's my dream.
I want to be able to take care of Ogie.
I will try my very best.
Sige.
Sa isang rin, I think one magazine played around with your features. Pag kayo daw ni Ogie magkaanak, eto daw yung magiging itsura ng anak niyo.
Diyos ko.
Pangit ba yan?
Uy, cute! Cute, ha?
Bakit mukhang foreigner?
Sa kulay lang siguro ng Pero ang cute, ha?
So, kayo, yung kilay talaga nasa side lang.
Bakit ba yung kilay parang parang apostrophe?
Ano ba yan? Parang tapaho.
Foreigner, di ba?
Parang nagtipid naman sila sa
Foreigner.
editing.
Nakakatawa. At least it's my nose. Is it my nose? I think
Parang
it's my
nga,
nose.
oo.
Yeah.
Pero bakit naka-lipstick nga yung bata?
Anak nga ni Regine Velasquez. Ano ba ba? Di lipstick siya.
Cute, yun pa na
Pati
magiging...
rin. Naku, may posibilidad na mangyari yan.
Sandali, ito pa may babaeng version. Tingnan natin.
May babaeng version?
Meron, oh. Yeah, di mo alam.
Kambal
Alam
ito.
ko.
Ang ganda. Kung yan, maganda. Ay.
Balik na tayo sa anak.
mahal.
Takot si Wilma.
Bakit ka, Shuri?
Eto, Reg, fill in the blanks. I love Augie's blank the most.
Teka muna, madami yun.
Madami.
His face.
You love his face the
No,
most.
kasi parang he has such a parang mabait face. And whenever I'm away or he's away, that's the first thing I miss.
Yung mukha niya.
I miss his face.
Katawa rin kasi to si Ogie eh.
Oo.
And also his wit. He's very witty,
Oo, yeah.
no?
Yun, given
The
na
sense
yun
of
eh.
humor.
Given na yun
Oo.
talaga. Like, I always...
Ganda pa ng boses
Alam mo, that's
talaga.
all I do with him. That's all we do. We laugh together.
Yun talagang
It's wonderful.
masaya. When you can laugh with the
Yes.
one that you love.
Yes.
Ay, nako.
Ay, naku, mga pag-ibig na yan.
I fell in love with Augie's blank.
Well, humor.
Oo.
That's how we started actually. Talagang pinapatawa lang niya ako ng
Pinapatawa.
pinapatawa. And during those time na nag-a-attack ako ng migraine, he was the one I was talking to on the phone like 4 o'clock in the morning.
Tapos
Trying to make
pinapatawa
me
ka?
laugh. Oo, trying to make me laugh talaga so I can forget that there's something
Kasi grabe ka
wrong.
mag-migraine, di ba?
Siya yung kausap ko talaga. And at that time, I was wondering, why am I talking to him?
Oo. Or
Ang weird, though.
why
Why is
do
he
I
talking-
laugh this
Oo,
hard with
parang,
him?
tsaka ang weird na parang, why is he talking to me? Parang, it's 4 o'clock in the morning.
Oo.
He's trying to make me laugh.
Yun na pala yun, no?
Yun na pala yun.
Naiiyak.
Tiri, ay, naku.
Naiinggit.
I promise Ogie to blank.
Too blank.
I promise. What did you promise, Augie?
I promised him that I will forever akong mabait. Ito try
Mabait ka
ko.
naman talaga.
Hindi, pero minsan kasi 'di ba parang hindi mo naman din alam kung magiging ano yung ugali mo pag when you're with somebody already, 'di ba? When you're very comfortable na with each other, minsan nagbabago. So I pray to God that I will not change my ways and I pray that I'll be able to take care of him because
Oh,
I
that's
promised
really
him
beautiful.
talaga na. But I keep praying na magawa ko yun because he deserves it. So after all the paghihirap na pinamis.
Ay, matutulungan kitang magdasal. Promise.
Promise, ah.
Oo.
Love talaga is a daily commitment. You don't just say, oh, I love him so much now, and you expect that love to carry through forever and ever.
It's you have to work on it talaga. Every relationship naman I guess kahit yung kaibigan lang.
Oo naman.
Like I have my best friend for like 20 years na kami mag-best friend, pero we still work on it. You know? You have to keep in touch kahit na parang tamad ka tumawag, you have to call, yung mga ganun ba. So, lalo na pag kayong mag-asawa na, you know that, right? So,
yeah.
you have to really work on it every time.
Ang gwapo ni Ogie, 6'2". Tangkad, laking lalaki.
Up next, a romantic songbird moment. Regine will serenade us when the sweet life returns.